Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video we will be learning how to redeem codes in T3 Arena game. Launch the T3 Arena game on your device first and make sure that you're logged in. On the main screen, look for the menu button at the top right corner. Now in the pop-up, click on Options. Now after you open this option page, go ahead and tap on the account button from the left-hand menu. Now click on Redeem Code. Enter the redemption code in the text box. Make sure to carefully type or paste the code you want to redeem. Double check the code for any mistakes to avoid errors, and finally after entering it, click on Confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to redeem the rewards. It will be sent directly on your in-game mailbox or inventory. That's how you redeem codes in T3 Arena easily and quickly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.